To draw cross section of the terrain, click on back, pencil, and then go to F section and draw L profile, F section, then select draw S section. Make sure that the read file will be from default file and click on include all changes. You can change the horizontal scale, vertical scale, number of rows and number of columns here as well. I just keep it as it is and click on execute and draw. So now we have to click a point as the origin. So I'm clicking somewhere here. Now you can see all the sections have been plotted. Area interval 10-meter channels. So this is simple and easy software for drawing contour lines, grid lines, and L profile and cross section of the any area, right? So if you have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you.